video, we are going to look at how to remember the enzymes in glycolysis. I have already shared a video on this channel on how to remember the processes of glycolysis, so you will find that video in the comment section. I've also shared a video on detailed explanation of glycolysis. So we go. I came up with a mnemonic on how to remember the enzymes in glycolysis. Just remember a lady by the name Helen. Helen is the name of a person who is a woman. She likes painting pictures in a training ground, along the training ground. Then the characteristics of people who like praying is that they enjoy painting. So if you get to know that, you will easily remember the enzymes in glycolysis. So we go. Helen paints pictures along training ground. Praying people enjoy painting. So I came up with this mnemonic. Another thing that I told you is you are supposed to remember this number, 13,710. These processes or these steps are facilitated by kinases. So step 1 is facilitated by kinase, step 2, 3 kinase, step 7 kinase, step 10 also a kinase enzyme. Another thing that you need to remember is step 1 and step 3 are energy consuming stages. Step 7 and 10 are energy yielding stages. So we go. Helen stands for hexokinase. Hexokinase is a kinase, so hexokinase. Helen stands for hexokinase. Paints is a phosphoglucose isomerase. Phosphoglucose isomerase. You can remember that it's an isomerase by looking at the word paint, that is letter I, then P for phosphor, so it's a phosphoglucose isomerase. Next is pictures, that is a phosphofructokinase. So you see it is step number 3, it is facilitated by a kinase enzyme. Then when you look at CTU, phosphofructo, UCT, something like that. So it can help you to remember that it's a kinase, it's a phosphofructokinase. Next is along, that is aldolase. In the video of how to remember the processes in glycolysis, I have shown you that aldolase facilitates cleavage. Next is training. Training stands for triose phosphate. Triose phosphate isomerase. As you can see, training, TR, triose. Then another one, I, stands for isomerase. Next is a ground, that is a glyceraldehyde. Glyceraldehyde dehydrogenase. We go to the next mnemonic. At this juncture, you need to remember that we are on a phosphoglycerate. And you know that step number 7 is facilitated by a kinase. So our enzyme will be phosphoglycerate kinase. Step number 8 is phosphoglycerate mutase. Number 9 is enjoy, that is enolase. Painting, that is a kinase. So our last molecule here is pyruvate, so it is pyruvate kinase. Pyruvate kinase.